Hi beauties, you all are welcome to GLOWRITE Beauty World and Skincare channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a face mask for treating of pimples, acne, blemishes, fading of dark spots and sunburn. And also this face mask is going to help to give you a clear and smooth skin. So before starting, I have already sanitized my workspace with 99% alcohol and I dried it with paper towels. So we'll be making a face mask, and the face mask is really simple to make. Make sure you weigh out your ingredients properly, and I am going to be working with a formula in my formulation book. So the ingredients that I will be using today, I will be using bentonite clay, I will be using sandalwood. Next, I will be using activated charcoal. This is activated charcoal. So I'll be using neem powder. This is how neem powder looks like. So I'm just going to keep it here. So let's talk about the ingredients that I'm using, their benefits. So we'll start by talking about bentonite clay. So bentonite clay has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, and it also has antibacterial properties. It helps to redefine the skin pores and promotes healing and regeneration of skin. And clays are rich in minerals and can deeply cleanse your skin. Clays gives exfoliating effect and helps to tone the skin. And this mask is a clay-based mask. So clay-based mask helps to cleanse and detoxify your skin. So we'll go over to the activated charcoal. So this one is the best natural pores cleansing ingredients, and it helps to detoxify the skin for a clearer and blemish free skin. It will help to draw out impurities from your skin. So that's the work of activated charcoal. And next is sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder helps to fight and prevent acne causing bacteria, and it also exfoliates, brightens the skin. And the next one I have is my neem powder. Neem powder contains antibacterial properties that helps to prevent your skin from infections by pulling out the impurities from your skin. It helps to treat pimples, acne, and also has anti-aging properties. So right here I have listed my ingredients and their skin benefits, and this is time to make the face mask. And this is a 3-in-1 face mask. It has exfoliating, brightening and detoxifying properties. So right here is my bentonite clay. I've weighed it out already and it's time for me to pour it in, so I'm just going to empty it in. I'll be adding bentonite clay in 10 grams. Next is my sandalwood powder. I'll be pouring it in, and I'll be pouring sandalwood powder in 10 grams. And the next ingredients is my activated charcoal. I'll be pouring it in 10 grams, activated charcoal in 10 grams. And lastly, I'll be pouring in neem powder, 10 grams of neem powder into the bowl. So right here I have 4 powders. You can choose to use less, you can choose to use more. So I have 4 powders here. I will use a spoon to mix all these ingredients together and make sure that all the ingredients are incorporated and mixed together, just this way. And after that, after that it's time for me to store the face mask. So you can choose to use a jar to store it for easy dispensing. And to activate this mask, you can use water, you can use aloe vera gel, you can use milk, you can use rose water, but preferably use water or rose water. So once you've done that, stir and mix properly and make sure that there is no lumps, and that is that for face mask. So beauties, this is exactly how it looks on my face. I'll just leave it to set. It has to dry up before I wash it off. It's going to do its work. It doesn't hurt, it's just okay. You can literally apply it on your face and be doing your house chores or whatever you are doing with your friends. And this is just it. I just want to show you how it looks so that you will have an idea. You can leave it on your face for 20 to 30 minutes, and that is it. That's basically it. As you keep using it, it can be used daily, or you can use it 3 to 4 times in a week. So this is basically how it looks like. And once you start using it, you notice that your face will start becoming brighter, smoother, clearer, no more pimples, acne, no more blemishes. Everything will just keep fading off, and this is very, very easy to use. So I would like you to try it out and give me a feedback. It's very lovely. I love it. This is actually one of the best face masks. It's very, very nice. It doesn't disturb you. So that's it. I just want to show you a little bit of how it looks. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of these. And if you have any comments, kindly drop it and I'll be very glad to reply you. Like and share, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. See you in my next video. Bye for now.